Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to cook pierogies in an air fryer. Thawing your pierogies beforehand is key, ensuring they cook evenly throughout and achieve a perfectly soft filling. A quick toss with a little olive oil or cooking spray provides that essential golden crispiness we all love. This method offers a fantastic, convenient alternative to traditional pan frying, delivering delicious results with less mess. First, give your pierogies a head start by letting them sit at room temperature for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, allowing them to partially thaw. Next, place them in a bowl and drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or use a cooking spray for a lighter touch. Make sure each individual pierogi is well coated, as this step is crucial for preventing them from sticking together and for developing that desirable golden crust. Now, preheat your air fryer to a precise 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully arrange the prepared pierogies in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them, as proper air circulation is vital. Cook them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes in total, remembering to gently flip them over at the halfway point, ensuring both sides achieve that beautiful golden crisp. Your pierogies are perfectly cooked when they boast a beautiful, deep golden brown color and feel wonderfully crispy to the touch. If you desire an even crunchier bite, simply add an additional 1 to 2 minutes to the cooking time, but keep a close eye on them. Always ensure the filling is piping hot throughout, indicating they are fully cooked and ready to enjoy. This guarantees a delightful eating experience every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.